Start seeing the rainforest section. See the difference in between the environment there? So that's what you'd be walking around if you go down on the railway or the cableway. You get to see that change in ecosystem. It's quite spectacular. On the right, the Jamison Valley, Mount Solitary, about 6 kilometres away, Three Sisters, Menai, Winway and Gunneroo. Oh, what a beautiful day to see the place, eh? You see that blue haze on the horizon?
Yeah.
Now, most horizons have a blue haze to it, but here in the Blue Mountains, we have lots of eucalypt trees, probably more per capita than anywhere in the world. They release oils, so the blue becomes more and more intense, particularly in warmer weather. The sun hits it, makes this blue thing. So back in the early days, it's all blue, called it the Blue Mountains. This is where you get the name from. Check this, guys, on the left. Come on down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, waterfall.
Pause.
Huge waterfall. So you come here, you can see all the way down 244 metres of Katoomba waterfall there, guys.
Waterfall.
So this is spring fed. It's coming out of hanging swamps, which you'll find nowhere else in the world but here in the Blue Mountains. One of the series of them from about a kilometre upstream. Some of this water hasn't